hummingbird, soft and light, dancing wings on your morning flight. Will you carry my melody so far as the distant star? Whisper my lyrics to the gusting breeze, lifting it to the clouds with ease. And my song raining down to the earth, people drenched, singing my song in birth. Oh, my hummingbird, hum my song when the nights grow dark and long. Let it linger, let it rise like a prayer to the starry skies. Oh, my hummingbird, hum my song when the days move on and is gone. Through the valleys, over hills, let your voice be that fills. Time may pause and time may fly, but the tune will never die. In the storm, in the rain, love will call my name again. Oh, my hummingbird, don't you weep, lay my soul down, soft asleep. When the moon appears and stars shine, look up at the sky and smile. The lyrics all over are mine. Twinkling sky.